Hello, in this video I want to show you how to fix the problem when you can't find any games on a Google Play Store in OnePlus Nord N30. And to do this, we'll need to open our Google Play Store. Here in the top search, let's try to find any game like Call of Duty. And as you can see, there's no results that we're looking for. And to fix this, go back to the home page of Google Play Store and click in the top right corner of the screen. Here find the settings and enter family, then parental controls. Here you can either disable parental controls entirely or enter apps and games, insert the PIN code, click on OK, and increase PG to at least 16. Make sure to save the settings afterwards, go back, look for the game again, and now it's right here and we can install it. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.